Hi guys, today we'll talk about how can you turn off email or turn off app notifications on your Remit app. We go to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, so you just go above this sign, you click on it here. We just click on it, it's going to show for you a list like this here. Click in this sign. So when you just click on it, it's going to take you to this list here. And all you have to do next, so you just click here on notifications, and it's going to take you to this list here. Then you come here to app notifications here, so you just click in this sign. Then it's going to show for you list like this. Click here on turn off notifications. So then like you see now, it's up here notifications, it's disabled with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.